Sumiinit! Sumiinit!
And of course, Myra Manalo. Yes, hello. At sa lahat ng mga kapatid sa lokal ng Kaitombo, Bulacan East. And hello to DG Koreano. Very relaxing dito sa Bulacan. Okay. Address ko po mga Pilipino dito in Rick at Rory Pigia ng Angat Bulacan. Okay, thank you for listening. And saying hello to Evangeline Vallarza. Also, shout out to Troy Napolitano, Macama Calpal, Camanava, right? From Morthy's, yes, in Morales of Antipolo City, listening and enjoying your playlist. A shout out to my ACY friends, OCD Homes Originals, and MCOCG. Special for 78, Colonel Aurelio Belgira, Dong Galang, June Aban, and to meet Alman Kiko Suzuki. And hi to Willie Delara, Wing Delara, and Red Delara. Okay. Who else? Spell it for us. Listening from Daet, Camarines Norte. Oh, layo. Yes, of course, via live stream. And hello to Chel Balcos, always listening from Project 6 QC. Shout out na din po to MJ Pharmacy. Thank you. Okay, thank you for listening. And hi to Bobby Venecia del Castillo of General Trias, Cavite. Happy lunchtime. Froilan Flores. Saying hello to all the staff of Eagle FM. Oh, thank you very much. And also my good friend, LBR's Antigrabs. Terrific Tuesday night playlist. Thanks always, my sweet friend, Peachy. Oh, thank you, LB. And saying hello to John D. Rockefeller. And yes, to all of you there at Mercury Hauling Services. Thank you for always listening. Leia Mera Lazarte of Dasma City, Cavite, tuned in po. Thank you, Sister Leia. From Oscar Valderrama Sr., shout out sa Hat of a Jack Bikers Association Incorporated, Yui Caloocan Cycling Group, Malabon City Mayor Gilles Sandoval, Councilor Nigel Vicencio, Marlon Feliciano, at kay Cusinerong Lacachero. Hello to Marcelita Camantiguen, Mabalatan. Nabati daw